So I want to do a little video of some knives that are budget friendly, that are still good. So I got 4 knives picked out. Some that I use all the time. They're always in my rotation. They're all pretty inexpensive. They're all under 65 bucks. One of them's down even $29. This guy right here. Okay, we'll start with this one. It's a Sencut Scepter. It's a 9CR13. You don't see a lot of steel in 9CR. You always see the 8. This 9CR is actually really good stuff. Really awesome micarta, this one, green micarta. It almost is a full flat grind. Nice slim profile. Really good EDC knife. It holds a surprisingly good edge for cheap steel. These are going for right around 29 to 35 bucks on Amazon. Next one I'll show you is this Petrified Fish. They're kind of a new knife company. I think they come out, I don't know, maybe a year ago or something is when I started seeing them. This one is a front flipper. Petrified Fish Beluga Mini. This one is a full flat grind. 14C28N. Really good steel for the money. And these are going right around 54, 55 bucks on Amazon. Liner lock. That front flipper, just, it's fun. Pretty fun. Next one I got is a Sencut Crowley in D2. Micarta. I ended up putting this little titanium pocket clip on there just to kind of, I don't know, fancy it up just a little bit. The D2 is awesome. Full flat grind. Micarta handle. But they're going for right around 45, 48 bucks. You add this little clip on there, adds another 15 bucks or so. They come factory with, I believe, pretty much the same clip this guy comes with. Nothing wrong with it. But adding that little bit of titanium is always kind of fun if you're into changing stuff up. The last one I got for you is this Kershaw. Kershaw Iridium in D2. It's got aluminum handles. They're, you know, they're not like super slick. They're a little bit slick. I'm not kidding. But I like them. They're awesome. Really awesome blade. That D2, this blade, the geometry on it is just awesome. And the Kershaw's version of the Axis lock, just silky smooth. Like, this knife, in my opinion, feels like a $150 knife, maybe $200 knife. Feels good. Feels really high quality. And they were going for like 55 bucks on Amazon like last week. Just looked, they're 65. Oh, sorry, not on Amazon, on Blade HQ. I think Amazon, they're like $72 or something. So definitely check out Blade HQ on this one. Anyway, that's all I got right now. Some good budget-friendly knives. That'll keep you happy. Have a good one.